You can improve your productivity using auto-correction. Let me show you what I mean by that. Instead of typing the address here, Mr. Somebody at some mail server like this, which is very time consuming, let me show you another way to do this. First, you're gonna go to File, Options. In here, you're gonna go to Proofing, and in here, you're gonna go Autocorrect Option here. Over here, you're gonna say Add. So every time you press the word Add, you're gonna say add some mail server.com. And then after that, go add here, okay, and okay one more time. So anytime when you press the add sign, it's gonna fill up the rest of the characters from there on. Let's say, for example, Mr. Somebody, like this. You say add and you hit enter, you automatically fill up the rest of the characters for you, which makes typing a breeze.